Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Tracy from Vivian. Today I'm going to share with you a video on Nissan Leaf battery upgrade. In this video, you will get to see the unboxing of our 50 kWh battery module and the key installation steps. This video was filmed by Andre Deal, a professional automotive YouTuber from United Kingdom. If you know him, you definitely know he is an EV expert, famous for his honest EV reviews, sharp insights, and real-world driving tests. I came across his contact and really liked how he simplifies the automotive topic in a way that's super easy to understand. So I emailed him and talked about our Nissan Leaf battery upgrade solution. To my surprise, he was instantly super interested because he realized that this upgrade was a game changer for Leaf owners. He even got his friends who have a Leaf to test our battery upgrade and recorded the whole process. Huge thanks to Andre and Shane for trusting our battery solution. This upgrade was a total success. Now Shane enjoys much longer range. Everyone is really happy with this result. We are also excited to collaboration with someone who's so passionate about EV innovation. Alright, I also link the Andre's YouTube channel in the description below. You can check out more of his automotive videos out there. In January 2025, Sean ordered the 50 kWh battery module from us since the Chinese Spring Festival holiday. We shipped it in March 2025 and it took about 2 months, so he didn't receive the package until July 2025. Finally, the installation was finished on July 24, 2025 by the EV workshop team in Herne Bay, United Kingdom. Before shipping, we installed the new battery in our Leaf vehicle for road testing. You can check the dashboard. We have charged to 100% and we got 379 kilometers. So without further ado, let's get started.
Tell by the dirt there that it's not been disturbed in a long time. Yeah. So we'll see how this one comes off. It's obviously being exposed to all the road dirt and everything, it can be a bit big to get out.
Yeah, I remember that being a bugger though.
Yeah, fortunately these ones are coming out okay so far.
That's the 12 volt.
That's the 12 volt, yeah, so no high voltage here. As you saw last out, got a tab there and then one on the side here as well. So we've got to sort of squeeze them simultaneously and then that'll allow this to come out, which is easier said than done with these big gloves on. Right, there we go. So what we can do now, we can use our multimeter to check for presence of voltage here. We want to see close to 0 volts. If we do, we know the system's isolated. We can take our gloves off and carry on. So this is for the PTC heater. Just checking across these actual metal. Should see very close to 0 volts, so we know this system is isolated, and we know the high voltage components outside the battery at least are safe to work on. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to bend these lower bits up that you can see along the edge, just so we can get a blade under there.
Literally my run around to get to work and back, just my commute and then...
Swelling though, which is good.
As Sean said, since he's really only granny charges it, I guess that's why.
Quite possibly, yeah. But I've had customers who say they don't use fast chargers and we've still seen swelling. And obviously the Nissan battery is notorious for poor thermal management anyway. Let's get it out then. Yeah, we can take the front left stack and the front right stack out in one piece. Right. As instructed. So it feels very unnatural. Something there. So B is front right. There we go. I like the design of the modules. They're all like this, be quite nice.
Yeah.
The retaining bolts for module D, which sits on top of module C here. So we put one spacer here, one spacer here, and one spacer here. And then we're using the original relay pack and the original 12 volt loom here. And get this bolted down.
So that's the bus bar, is it?
Yeah, this is the bus bar between these two rear stacks here. 175 volts on each side of the circuit.
So this is the bracket that holds the BMS?
Yes,
Is that right?
yes, exactly.
So the part that Dean is fitting at the moment is the BMS, the battery management system. That's the thing that controls everything. And what VIVNE do is they seem to send you one that's already been programmed, or reprogrammed I should say, to work with this battery.
So that's the original. That's part of the original harness.
Okay.
And then everything else is new, apart from the temperature sensor harness. So we've got the original temperature sensor harness. Now I'm going to route that in a minute because obviously it's been a little bit of an experiment because we thought we would be getting a new harness with this, so we'll see how we go.
I wonder whether this is quite unique that they send a whole unit, the BMS, instead of just it being reprogrammed, do you think?
Yeah, well,
Or-
I think maybe because obviously Nissan don't offer a 50 kilowatt.
yes.
So I would imagine the software doesn't exist to manage that. So they must have to do some magic inside to adapt to it.
Yeah. Because they also offer 40 kilowatt hour and 62 kilowatt hour batteries. So maybe they just supply an old BMS from those.
But mate, so when I've fitted replacement batteries in Leafs in the past, there's like, they're not really coded, but you do have to write with VIN and also sort of reset the battery's memory. So it goes back to, if you're fitting a new battery, you know, 100% state of health and all that stuff.
Okay.
So it doesn't still think it's got the partially degraded battery that you've just removed.
Right. Okay.
So maybe they've already sort of virginized it, so we don't have to do that.
So there's been a little bit back and forth, and I've been talking to VIVNE, and they've said we can use the original temperature sensors, the ones from the original pack, but we have to cable tie it and use some glue. Apparently they're going to improve it in the future, they said. This next step is connecting the OBD dongle directly into the battery pack and testing using Leaf Spy to see whether everything's working correctly.
So what this battery actually allows you to do, connect Leaf Spy when the battery isn't in the vehicle. That's connected, they're all connected. You put the screws in there, that's done. All done, tight. And down. These all plugged in. Yeah. What else can we do?
Pray.
service plug.
I'll also show that. So Sean, it is showing 92 miles of range.
Oh, okay. It's not been zero.
No.
What percent?
It's about halfway,
Yeah.
about 50% charged.
Yeah, okay.
So the range is looking promising.
Yeah.
Hopefully these error lights are just part and parcel of installing a foreign battery.
Yeah. What's the dash?
Yeah, so we got the car with the exclamation mark and the title light on as well. So it's just scanning all the modules in the vehicle now.
Okay.
So green is good, red is some sort of problem. So invalid battery, that's quite normal after fitting a used or a new battery. Unless you're using the existing, unless you're just repairing a module using all the existing hardware,
Yeah.
quite often get that code. So that we may be able to do something with. The rest of these are in, apart from the sun sensor, which is in the dash, that's nothing to do with anything we've done.
Okay.
So the rest of these are in pass status, so possibly from a low voltage event at some point in the past.
Okay.
So we've just got this invalid battery on, so let's see if we can program that battery on. The operation must be performed when a battery pack LBC or VCM is replaced. Okay, please input the VIN. Attempt to start it again,
Okay.
and hopefully we won't have any lights this time. Well, there we go. No error lights, 92 miles range currently on about 50% charge. So obviously road tests will tell, but so far it's looking good.
Good. Good. Okay.
And of course, we know the warranty and peace of mind are tops everyone's list, so we can provide 2 years and 80,000 kilometers service. During the warranty, we can make sure the battery can be charged and discharged normally, and your vehicle has no high voltage battery faults, and the SOH isn't less than 80%. During the warranty, if anything unrepairable, we will replace the new modules for you, and that covers the shipping cost. Thanks for your watching.